Copyright claims versus copyright strikes. What is the difference? A copyright claim is primarily about monetization. The copyright holder can claim the revenue from your video. Usually your video can stay on YouTube, but you will not get paid for it, or the revenue might be split. These are common, especially with music, and are not a major threat to your channel's standing. A copyright strike is much more serious. Strikes are issued via a formal DMCA takedown notice. If you get 3 strikes within 90 days, your channel will be terminated. Strikes are much rarer than claims. The copyright strike process is usually initiated by a DMCA takedown notice, often from companies working for major rights holders who find infringing content in YouTube's database. When you receive a strike, you might get a 7-day window to edit the copyrighted content out, or it could be an immediate takedown. Your options are to appeal to YouTube or file a counter notification, which is a legal response arguing why your use is not infringement. This is often when a lawyer gets involved. Fair use is a legal doctrine that allows you to use copyrighted material without permission if you sufficiently transform it into your own new work. The core question is whether the audience is coming to your video for your transformative work, such as your commentary, or to consume the original copyrighted content. Examples of fair use include commentary or critique, such as making critical opinions about the original work. Reaction videos are a recognized form of this on YouTube. Teaching is another example, like a music producer teaching how to create a Drake-style beat, focusing on the unique elements, because the purpose is learning, not just listening to the song. News reporting is also included, using clips as part of reporting on current events. Caution on live streaming. Restreaming entire news broadcasts with only intermittent commentary is legally risky. Long gaps without commentary and the sheer volume of copyrighted content may not qualify as fair use, and corporations may start cracking down. How much copyrighted content can you use? There is no legally defined safe duration, such as 10 seconds. This is a myth. As a practical guideline, YouTube lawyer Ian Corzine suggests using clips no longer than 2 to 5 seconds if possible. Every second over this amount increases your risk. Experience varies. One creator was flagged for 1 second of a Justin Timberlake song in the background, while another faced no issue for singing half a song. It depends on the rights holder. Do not take the heart of the content. This is a principle coined by lawyer Ian Corzine. Avoid using the most iconic, pivotal, or emotionally significant part of the original work, the so-called heart. For example, when reviewing Star Wars, do not show the "I am your father" scene. Instead, describe it with your words, use animation, or show less critical, subsidiary parts of the movie. Using the heart of the content is what you are most likely to get slammed for. Other key points. If you receive a claim you believe is illegitimate, such as a claim on your own original music, do not be afraid to push back and dispute it. YouTube's systems are automated and do not have time to penalize you for a legitimate dispute. Seeing other channels use copyrighted content does not mean it is safe. You cannot tell from the outside if the creator has a license or if the video is actually being monetized by the creator. The copyright holder may be collecting all the ad revenue. YouTube can place ads on any video, monetized by the creator or not. Credits. Script adapted from VidIQ and YouTube lawyer Ian Corzine.